Here's a riddle. It's something you do in an elevator, at a conference, at a meeting, or by the water cooler. It may be called small, and what you talk about may be insignificant, but it has a big impact on business. Have you guessed what I'm talking about? Hi, I'm Dora, and welcome to a new and exciting episode of Bite-Size English, your daily bite of English. Today, we have some tips for making small talk at work. Hopefully, you've already seen our episode on making small talk. You may even want to look for the worksheet on that episode and the one for this episode on our website under Extra Bites at bitesizeenglish.com. The worksheets will give you extra vocabulary and grammar points, which some of you might find as a helpful way to review what was said here and refresh what you know. At any point in this video, play what I say again so that you can practice with me. Are you ready? Small talk is really informal conversations about nothing important, but it's vital to an employee's survival. So important that it goes by many different names. Let's see if you can catch those synonyms. Being able to do this casual banter is what can help you feel confident in your language skills. First, exchanging pleasantries is how we can break the ice. Second, it's a ticket to opportunities unknown. How well you can do idle chit-chat with people and make them feel comfortable creates better working relationships and a willingness in others to share with you and eventually trust you. So don't discount the chatter, because you never know when that person you just had some brief water cooler talk with might be your way to a promotion. Did you get that? Now replay what I said and try counting how many different ways I said a synonym for small talk. If you've watched our first episode on small talk, you should know some basic phrases to initiate it. Remember, any topic where you can find common ground is good to go. Any eyebrow-raising topics that polarizes people, just steer clear. They're a no-go. And yes, don't be a wallflower. It's easier to control the conversation and have it go your way if you take the initiative. Regardless of what social event you'll be attending, try and know in advance the type of people you might meet and do your homework. Depending on who you meet and the stage in your career, you might want to use these social functions to your advantage. Here are some examples of questions to keep the conversation going. They might just help you fill in those awkward silences. Are there doors for you to open? Sometimes we may not intentionally go out and find opportunities, but small talk with people in your industry could open doors and new career avenues. Some questions you may ask to start a conversation are, what's been the best thing about your job? What's the most difficult thing about what you do? What do you think your company's fixated on right now? What's the biggest issue in your industry, you think? Get to know your business acquaintances better. We work with people in very large companies, and company functions are there to help build team trust. Flattery goes a long way to gain that trust. Asking for their opinion shows that you respect them. Some questions you may ask are, you're an expert in that field. I want to know what's your opinion about that issue. I'd like to hear it from you. What blogs are you reading to keep up to date about that? Anything you'd recommend? What's your most recent win? What conferences have you attended lately? Who'd you recommend I follow? Show your clients you care. Your clients are, of course, our highest priority, both ones you have and ones that you hope to get. Your job is to make them seem like they're your biggest concern. So what could you ask them? What have you been up to lately? What's changed since we last talked? What's been the highlight of your year? What's your number one concern right now? You know, I'm here to help, so how can I make you even more successful? Ready for the tip? Small talk should be light-hearted and words should be exchanged with a smile. Try not to kill the conversation by disagreeing with someone you just met. Now, some people might enjoy a good debate, but learn to read their body language. When they aren't enjoying what's being said, it's time to change the topic. That's all for today, and remember to subscribe, share, and comment below. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.